How to connect SafeAQAir with MedM Health app. Step 1. Download the app MedHealth in Google Play or App Store and install. Step 2. Register and log in the account as prompted. Step 3. Tap My Devices on the left window, click Add New and press SafeAQAir for 3 seconds to start up. Then it will be searched by the app. Step 4. Then connected. The blood glucose test can be started, and the test date and charts can be viewed on the app. Tip 1. Unit conversion. Left window, settings, units, glucose, milligram per deciliter, or mole per liter. Tip 2. Q&A. For other app operations, please refer to help in the left window of the software.